raised Madonna in the American fashion.
Give her freedom, but I taught her never to dishonor her family. Like a good American. This is the voice of the proper trial. The judge sentenced them to 3 years in prison with suspended sentence. Suspended sentence.
You were afraid to be my dad.
I didn't want to get into trouble.
I understand.